So let's bring in our specialist, shall we?
Yeah, sun-soaked Florida now just soaked, really, right? There's our storm specialist right there, Mike Seidel. He is at Jacksonville Beach this morning. Mike, all week you were in Clearwater Beach, feeling what was going on out there. Different story where you are right now. Kind of describe what's happening.
Not much right now. Just a gorgeous sunrise through the fog, and now that's kind of burning off. Temperature is pretty comfortable this morning, low and mid-70s, so it doesn't feel as uncomfortable as it did yesterday morning in Clearwater Beach. Of course, we did have that squall around 6:30, and then it was just a hot, muggy day as the sun came back out mid to late morning. And they had more rain. In fact, right now there's some rain over on the west coast of Florida and down south, but this part of the state, northern Florida, the Panhandle, dry at this point. First thing I want to show you, and I know we just saw this, but let's go back to it again. Stephen McLeod at the controls back there in New York City, the IR loop, and you can see those storms really bubbling up off the coast. Again, we're expecting a tropical depression to form, at least right now, a 60% chance in the next 7 days, 40% in the next couple of days. Though that's likely in the next 7 days. And whether it develops or not, the impacts don't change a whole lot because we're not expecting much in the way of intensity. So the main impact from this will be rain and thunderstorms impacting your beach weather, primarily on the Carolina beaches and primarily starting tomorrow night into Sunday. And right now, the forecast model shows that the circulation does come on shore sometime on Sunday in South Carolina, with the bulk of the rain being north of where that circulation comes in. There are no flash flood or flood watches up right now. Right now, the Weather Service out of Charleston and Wilmington thinking they may not even have to issue those because it is going to be spotty. We'll see how that all turns out. Let's take a look down the beach. Why not? It's July 4th. Happy birthday, America, number 249. And we've got folks, as you can see, we're looking now off to the south down Jack's Beach here in northeastern Florida. You can see folks walking into the murk, what's left of the fog this morning. It was just some ground fog, basically. It didn't extend very high. Got some dogs out here that were barking up a storm. I think they've settled their differences now, and the dogs right now are just kind of chilling out here at the surf as folks get their early morning walk in. So that's the stage set right now here on Jacksonville Beach. Britta and Craig just waiting and watching, not expecting any rain in this area today. Better chance of storms getting into the weekend as they wrap around from the backside of that circulation. But things are looking pretty good today on the beaches of the Carolinas and here in northern Florida. That doesn't say the rain chances are zero, but the real impact from this system will come tomorrow into Sunday. And then the question is, does it just go inland and just fizzle out, or does it kind of shoot up the coast as a broad area of low pressure, or just basically a big blob of rainfall as we get into Sunday night and Monday?
But even a big blob of rainfall can be a concern, especially when you think about low country, how much rain can stack up. A lot of questions still yet to answer, but we know you're here for it, Mike. We appreciate your specialty look at the situation. There is Mike Seidel in Jacksonville, Florida this morning. We'll check in with you soon.